The Russo family indoor training facility was made possible by the Russo family and the Atkinson family's generous donations to our department. This complex will serve both our baseball and softball teams and bring them into the future with space, equipment, training areas, and future technology, all of which is geared to enhance the program's athlete development to expand upon past team successes. I'd like to now introduce to you the president of Indian River State College, Dr. Timothy Moore.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Scott. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming out today. Before we get started, I want to just give a shout out to our athletic program, Director Kimmelman, Stephanie Skidmore, the Associate Director, and to our athletes. I want to commend you for last Saturday. You went to help neighbors in need, people who'd lost everything. You took time from your weekend to come out there and help them clean up. You were professional, you were courteous, you were kind, and a couple of you young men, I think, got marriage proposals from in absentia from their grandmothers trying to hook you up with their granddaughters there. But thank you for what you did. You made an impact, and we've gotten nothing but great praise from the community for that. It is my honor to be here today. I want to welcome in our trustee Susie Karen, who's coming today. Thank you, ma'am, for your support from the leadership of the college. I also want to recognize Coach Atkinson and your bride. Thank you, sir, for coming out. Appreciate all your years of service to this great college. Coach Atkinson, thank you, and your bride, thank you. This is where he works. You know that now, right? We will actually have a designated parking spot. We'll drop you a pin on Google Maps. Should be all right, okay? Yes, ma'am. And I'd also like to recognize FranK and Jen Russo for their generosity, continued generosity to our program here, and to the coaches and to the administrative staff. This is a great day for us. What's behind you is a state-of-the-art facility that was a vision of one man and then finished and polished off by another man. And they were committed to this program to give these athletes the best facilities possible to continue to win. The young ladies, of course, won the national championship last year. Congratulations, lady. We're so proud of you. Well done. Our men's program has got a little ways to go yet, but I guarantee you guys are on the cusp. This coach has got you. These coaches have you honed and ready to go. This facility will continue to drive it forward. I also want to talk about what athletics means to the brand of the college. You are students first and athletes second, but you win on the ball field and in the pools and in the courts. But you also win in the classroom because the GPAs are there, the progression is there, and you have your entire career and your life ahead of you. And as Mr. Russo, I'm sure, will share with you, he was formed here on these ball fields, led by men like Coach Atkinson, and it set him on a pathway to success when he started in very humble beginnings in his young days in New York. So I just want to tell you that athletics forms great personalities, great leadership techniques and style, and it takes you through the rest of your life. Lastly, I just want to say this. We're honored to have this day unfold before us. We've made a significant investment in our ball fields here to bring the level of the facilities up to the level of competition that our athletes put forth and our coaches put forth every year. I'm very proud of you. Coach Atkinson, thank you, sir. Or Coach Atkinson, thank you, sir. 2 national championships over a 20-year span is remarkable. We're proud of you. And Mr. Russo, Jen, thank you for your generosity to make this facility possible. Scott, if you'll come in and continue the MC honors, please, sir. Thank you.
Next on our agenda is a man who heads into his 26th season at Indian River State College as a head softball coach, Coach Dale Atkinson.
Woo.
Not yet. Wow. What you doing?
Make sure your wife knows where you work.
Over.
My wife got a little late.
All right. Over the span of that time with Indian River State College, Coach Atkinson, has coached his way to an NJCAA title in 2002 and most recently last season in 2024. Congratulations to the team. Teams have won 4 NJCAA Region 8 state titles in 2002, 2004, 2005, and 2024. They've garnered 19 Southern Conference championships and 24 consecutive postseason berths. Additionally, more than 200 players have been named All-Southern Conference, 84 have been named Region 8 All-State, and 29 have been honored with NJCAA All-American status. He achieved his 1,000th win as a head coach on February 28th of 2020. He was inducted into the NJCAA Softball Coaches Hall of Fame in December of 2023. He was inducted into the Indian River State College Pioneer Sports Hall of Fame in April of 2019. the FCSA Softball Coaches Hall of Fame in 2014, and the St. Lucie County Athletics Hall of Fame in 2002. Combined with those honors, he was named the 2006 NJCAA Southern Region Coach of the Year, 2002 NFCA Coach of the Year, the 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, and 2006 NJCAA Region 8 Coach of the Year, and is an 18-time Southern Conference Coach of the Year. Today, we will honor Dale Atkinson with the retiring of his jersey and chosen number of 25 to be hung on the outside of this beautiful complex for all to see and never see the back of a player's jersey again. So if anybody thinks they're wearing 25 in the future or this year, it will not happen. All I give to you, my friend Dale Atkinson.
I'll keep this short. Speaking of short. All right, so. All right, first off, there's three things I want to say, and the first one obviously is the Russo family, and thank you for everything that you've done, things you continue to do for the athletic department. To, Dr. Moore and Scott Kimmelman and all the administrators and anybody else who thinks I'm worthy of this award today or this honor today. And last, this is not necessarily for me today. It's about for all your athletes and what the Russo family's done for you. I think it was 1997 that I came up to this college, and I got interviewed by that fellow sitting right there. And I didn't know a lot about Indian River softball at that time, believe it or not, but I knew a lot about the baseball program. And I knew a lot about the baseball program because of everything that he had done. One of the best coaches in the country. The program, the baseball team was second to none. And when I came in, I thought I was going to be interviewed by, a friend of mine who was the vice president of student affairs, but here sits Coach Easton, and I'm going to be honest with you, I was a little intimidated when I walked into that room. He's just, he is a legend, always will be. The only thing I can say is that as far as today goes, for me to have my jersey on that wall with that man's jersey, I'm honored.
Everybody can see that it has been unveiled. Number 25 will be up on the wall.
Very good.
All right. Our final speaker this evening is a man who has been loyal to a program and a coach that gave him so much after he graduated from high school. FranK, the Rooster Russo, came to IRCC in 1980. His prowess and work ethic at Indian River helped him achieve his dream of playing at the University of Miami and being drafted as a Major League Baseball player. He was the 2024 IRSC Sports Hall of Fame inductee, the 2020 Leviton, New York Hall of Fame inductee, was a three-time Major League Baseball draftee for the Montreal Expos, New York Yankees, and Pittsburgh Pirates. In 1984, he was a member of the University of Miami team playing at the storied College World Series in Omaha, Nebraska. Among all of those accomplishments, he's also been honored as the keynote speaker at the Spring 2022 Indian River graduation ceremony. His work ethic on and off the field have carried over into his professional career, making him one of the most successful distributors of medical equipment for Stryker Orthopedics, where he was twice honored as the Global Sales Performer of the Year. Having retired from that work, he is now a developer of a new oceanfront community, which is known as Treasure Cove, located right here in our area on Hutchinson Island in St. Lucie County. I give to you Mr. FranK Russo.
Well, coming back, it's great to see all you athletes, all the staff, Tim Moore, Coach Easton, Dale, FranK. I was here in 1980, came down from New York, and it was a culture shock originally for me. I came down, gold chains, Capizio shoes, Sergio Valente jeans, right, silk shirts, and I went to the Rodeo Lounge. It's over there on 70 by the Holiday Inn. And I took a bad beating that night, guys. Bad beating. They didn't like New York Italians here in 1980. But anyway, this feels like a homecoming. I love baseball. I have a passion for college sports. I have a passion for the kids and all the mentors. You got to find a mentor in your life. Easy was my mentor.
Good brother. You're all right. You're all right.
Anyway, congratulations, national champions. Soon to be minimum state champions. All the heat's on you guys. And all the volleyball, basketball, swimmers. This is the greatest place to start. Indian River, you'll have it with you forever. And always remember, it's the river. Right, guys? The river. People come here, you say, hey, you guys are coming to the river, and we're going to drown you. Right? We're going to win. And we're going to win big. So, love you guys. Keep plugging away. Dream big, and never give up. Follow your dreams.
Wonderful.
Okay, for now, what I would ask is that Dr. Moore and the Atkinson family, the Russo family, the Eason family, if you could all make your way over for a ceremonial ribbon cutting. Annabelle Robertson, please, if she is, where is she? Oh, Susie Caron, excuse me. Where is Annabelle? I'm missing her. Oh, there we go. If you could all please make your way over for a ceremonial ribbon cutting. And folks, if you can start working your way over to just kind of get into the paved area before the cut is made. Thank you.